Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Live Trading the Stock Market here on Bob Squared Finance. My name is Bobby. I'll be your personal trader today. We'll be trading out of my portfolio here. I'm also the Broke Trader. You can find my vlog right here on the same channel, the Broke Trader Vlog. We will be giving you guys daily content. We live trade the stock market on Robinhood every single trading day. You can always look for an opening bell and a closing bell segment at least. On Friday, we do 3 videos. And then every single day of the week, we're going to have the Broke Trader Vlog coming at you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So happy to have you along for this journey. We have a real action-packed day for you today, so we will look for you right on the other side here. So happy to see you, and let's get right to it. All right, I'll turn it right over to myself and go. All right, my friends. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us. Do appreciate you guys following along here as we live trade the stock market here on Bob Squared Finance. This is your go-to place for education and entertainment and information about the stock market, about your business, about investing. So let's do it. Let's jump right in. We got an opening bell for Wednesday. I'm sorry, it is Thursday. That is Thursday, July 19th, 2018. I've told you before, folks, I have no idea what day it is. So a little bit about the channel, a little bit about me. My name is Bobby, as I alluded to in the intro there. I am sort of a careful, patient investor. They call me the Broke Trader. I also have a companion to this series called the Broke Trader Vlog, where I kind of give you guys a rundown of my day each and every day. So that's been a whole lot of fun to make. I hope you guys are enjoying watching that. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos as well. There's nothing I enjoy more than putting these together for you. It is such a blast. So thank you so much for being on this journey with me. We are going to get right into some action here as we start off our day. It does look like ELF is going to be falling down below that 52-week low. Yesterday, you may remember I mentioned that stocks that hit their 52-week low do tend to go on a little bit of a run soon thereafter. So, man, I sure would like to get some of that ELF Cosmetics stocks. We'll be looking to buy 2 more. So let's go ahead and sell the Synchrony Financial share and clear the way there. That should give us enough liquidity. So we're going to put that in and hope it goes through in time to catch that ELF Cosmetics down there below $15. That should give us a great average. Like I said, we'll be swinging with 2 shares. That will fit right into our Fibonacci buying ratio. That will double our position in ELF, and so look forward to that. Let's see, that sell order did go through for Synchrony Financial at $33.10, so should leave us about $52 to work with here. So let's see if ELF is going to drop down there below the $15 range today. It does look like it has started that climb. It does look like it has started the run upwards off of that 52-week low. So hopefully we'll correct back down one more time and maybe get another swing at that. Be on the lookout. We did have a viewer ask about Rubia Therapeutics, or Ruby is the ticker there, R-U-B-Y for those trading at home. I have been able to look at this company and do a little bit of research. I still have a lot of work to do in order to come up with a real solid opinion on it, but I am excited about it. I'm really glad that you turned me on to this company. It does fit right into my investing strategy, and it would, I think, pair really well with our gene editing strategy that we've got going on here. So thank you so much for that question. I do look forward. I am making a video tomorrow, actually with all of my thoughts on this company, and actually whether we'll be targeting it here in the portfolio moving forward. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much again for that question. I appreciate that. Appreciate speaking with you guys and engaging with you. At the end of the day, that's what I'm here for. That's why I make these videos. I'm here as a free resource for you. I'm here to educate and entertain you about the stock market, about your business, about your finance. So thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's the best way you can support this content at the very moment. I would definitely appreciate that. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, hit that like button, let everybody else know that you liked it. Share it on all your social media platforms if you would as well. Anything you can do for old Bobby, hey, I appreciate that. So regardless, you know me, I'm going to be out here live trading the stock market every single trading day. I got the Broke Trader vlog coming at you every day. So thank you guys for coming along. Let's see, we got some action to get into here. We did put that limit buy in for Elf Cosmetics, but as we kind of thought might happen, it looks like Elf is going to go on a little bit of that run here off of that 52-week low. So we'll probably miss it this time. We will look for it to dip back down again. I've got this feeling about Blue Apron. Now I know if you're a long-time viewer, you know I have some scary stories about Blue Apron, but I've got a feeling about it right now. It's been on a pretty good upward tick for the past 3 months or so, and then today it is falling down just a little bit. So I'm going to keep my eye on Blue Apron. Keep that in the back of your mind here as we move forward. We'll definitely be looking to add a little variety into the portfolio here. So I'm going to keep my eye on Blue Apron and see if we can't bring that into the fold. If it's your first time watching, we do buy all of our stocks, establish all of our positions in a Fibonacci buying ratio, meaning that we will buy 1 share, and then we'll buy 1 share, and then we'll buy 2 shares, and then we'll buy 3 shares, and then we'll buy 5 shares, and then we'll buy 8 shares, etc. So you can do a little bit more research on that, or you can go back and watch some of my older videos in order to kind of get my my rundown on why we do that and why it helps us stay patient and stay consistent here. Let's keep an eye on PBI as it drops just barely below the last point at which we bought there at 854. We did buy in last time at 860, so we might be enticed to make a move there. Otherwise, guys, keep your eyes glued to this channel. I have closing bell coming for you real soon, and then the Broke Trader vlog drops a little bit later tonight. So we're going to keep consolidating down here. Maybe look to add some spiciness here right before Friday. You guys know I love Friday, so stay tuned. And hey, Self, take them home. Alrighty, folks, that's going to do it for our opening bell segment for Thursday, July 19th, 2018. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure bringing it to you. I can't wait to see you again soon. I do have a closing bell segment coming out for you a little bit later today, and then we've got the Broke Trader vlog. Got some great footage, got some great stuff happening here at the channel. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, let everybody else know what you think about the video. Leave me your questions, comments, answers, sarcastic remarks, and stock picks down in the comment section below. I hope you have a profitable day. This is Bobby signing off.